Propane smokers reviews. Comparison propane smokers have become an essential tool for barbecue enthusiasts and home chefs looking to achieve restaurant-quality smoked meats in their own backyards. Offering convenience, precise temperature control, and a variety of sizes, these smokers are perfect for both beginners and seasoned pitmasters. In this review, list 1. The Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric vertical barbecue smoker is a feature-packed option with 710 square inches of cooking space, making it ideal for large gatherings or batch smoking. Its digital controls allow users to easily set the cooking time and temperature, while the patented side wood chip loader ensures uninterrupted smoking. The fully insulated design and lockable door latch help retain heat and smoke for consistent results. With 4 chrome-coated racks, this smoker offers ample space for various meats, including up to 7 chickens or 2 turkeys. The removable water bowl and grease tray make cleanup straightforward. In real-world testing, the Masterbuilt delivered consistent temperatures up to its maximum of 275 degrees Fahrenheit, which is sufficient for most smoking needs. The side wood chip loader is a standout feature, allowing users to add chips without opening the door and losing heat. However, the lack of a built-in meat probe means users need to rely on external thermometers for precise temperature monitoring. This smoker is best suited for enthusiasts looking for a versatile, high-capacity electric smoker with convenient features. List No. The Quezinart Petite Gourmet Portable Gas Grill is the most budget-friendly option in this lineup, offering 150 square inches of cooking space and a 5,500 BTU burner. Its standout feature is the VersaStand, which allows the grill to be used as a tabletop or freestanding unit. The compact, lightweight design and carry handles make it perfect for camping, tailgating, or small outdoor spaces. The porcelain enameled grate ensures even heat distribution, and the twist-to-start ignition simplifies the setup process. While the Quezinart excels in portability and ease of use, it is limited by its small cooking surface and lower heat output compared to larger models. It is best suited for grilling smaller quantities of food, such as burgers or chicken breasts, rather than extensive smoking sessions. The dishwasher-safe grates are a convenient touch, but the grill's lightweight build may feel less durable over time. This is an excellent choice for those prioritizing portability and affordability. List number. The East Oak 30-inch electric smoker stands out for its advanced features, including a built-in meat probe and a side chip loader for uninterrupted smoking. With 725 square inches of cooking area, it caters to large families or those who frequently entertain. The smoker boasts a 6 times longer smoking duration per load, reducing the need for constant refills. Digital controls make it easy to set and monitor time and temperature, while the Keep Warm mode ensures food stays at the perfect serving temperature. In our tests, the East Oak delivered exceptional performance, maintaining steady temperatures and producing a rich, smoky flavor. The built-in meat probe was accurate and eliminated the need for guesswork. However, at 62 pounds, this model is relatively heavy, making it less portable. It is ideal for serious home chefs looking for a high-capacity, feature-rich smoker with minimal maintenance requirements. List 4. The Masterbuilt MPS 230S Propane Smoker offers a traditional propane-powered smoking experience with a 15,400 BTU stainless steel burner. Its 4 chrome-coated racks provide ample space for various cuts of meat, while the built-in temperature gauge allows for easy monitoring. The patented flame disc bowl shields the burner from grease while ensuring even heat distribution. With its push-button ignition, this smoker is easy to start and operate. This smoker excelled in delivering consistent heat and smoke, making it a reliable choice for low and slow cooking. However, the lack of digital controls or a meat probe means users must monitor the process manually. It is a solid mid-range option for those who prefer propane over electric models and value simplicity over advanced features. List 9. The East Oak Ridgewood Pro 30-inch electric smoker is a premium option designed for comfort and performance. Its elevated stand eliminates the need to crouch, improving ergonomics. Like its counterpart, it features a built-in meat probe, side chip loader, and 725 square inches of cooking space. The digital controls and keep warm mode ensure consistent results, while the 6 times longer smoking duration enhances convenience. This smoker impressed with its user-friendly design and reliable performance. The elevated stand is a thoughtful addition, making it ideal for extended smoking sessions. However, at $269.99, it is slightly more expensive than other models with similar features. It is best suited for users who prioritize comfort and ease of use.